Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, let us discuss the solution for question paper problem, that is problem asked in the VTU examination in May 2022 in Basic Electronics and Communication Engineering. There is a problem with question number 1B on Zener diode. So here in the question paper you can observe 1B is the problem which is asked to calculate the series resistance which we need to be applied to get the voltage of 6 volts across the Zener diode, to regulate the voltage to 6 volts. So let us see the problem, what they have asked. A 6 volt Zener diode has a maximum rated power dissipation of 500 milliwatts if the diode is to be used in a simple regulator circuit to supply a regulated 6 volt to a load having a resistance of 500 ohm. We need to determine the stable value of series resistor for a supply of 9 volts. Here first we need to write the circuit of voltage regulator which uses the Zener diode, as we know, which is connected in the reverse biased manner. So here they have given in the question what is Vz they have given. Vz is the voltage across the Zener diode. At the starting itself it is given as 6 volts. And then they have given the power dissipation across this diode, that is 500 millivolts. Milli in the sense we need to take 10 raised to minus 3. And then they have given the load resistor value, that is 500 ohm. And we need to find out the stable value of series resistor. Here Rs we need to find out. And then they have also given the voltage applied, that is the supply voltage is 9 volts, that is the unregulated input. So here we need to find out the Rs, but to find out Rs we know the maximum value of Rs and minimum value of Rs expressions. So by using those two expressions such as Rs maximum and Rs minimum, we can find out the optimum value or the effective or the suitable value of Rs. So first let me calculate Rs maximum by taking the value RL which is given in the problem, Vin and Vz. So if we put those values, Rs maximum will be 250 ohms. Means the maximum value of Rs we can put here to regulate the voltage of 9 volt to 6 volt is 250 ohms. Maximum we can have 250 ohm as a series resistor. But this is not the suitable value for the series resistor. So we need to find out Rs minimum also. So here if you put these values again, obviously they have given Vin, Vz, again Pz maximum also they have given in the problem itself. So Rs minimum is 36 ohm. So we need to choose the suitable value of the Rs in between this minimum Rs and maximum Rs. So one way to get the suitable value is that we can choose any value between this, or we can choose the average of these two. If we calculate the average of these two, average in the sense 36 ohm plus 250 ohm divided by 2. So that gives 143 ohms. 143 ohm is the exact value of Rs we can put here so that it will regulate 9 volts to 6 volt. But the thing is, we can round off that to a nearest value which the resistor is available. So 150 ohm we can put as a resistance value Rs so that it will regulate 9 volt to 6 volts comfortably. Since Rs minimum is 36 and Rs maximum is 250, we can choose any value in between these two so that it will be acting as a perfect voltage regulator. So this problem is already discussed in the other video which I have uploaded in the Basic Electronics playlist as problems of module 1. So you can go through that problem here, but here slight modification in the voltage as well as the resistor values, and they have changed and given in the examination. So here also we get 150 ohm as an suitable value for the Rs, and in the problem which is given in the exam also getting the same value. Thank you.